Letter U. A.
Welcome to Ken's Kids channel.
Letter U. U. What sound does the letter U make? A. What is the sound of letter U? Say Great job!
Amazing.
Letter U. Mommy letter U or the big letter U, and baby letter U, the small letter U. Let's write the letter U. Now we begin with the big letter U. Start at the top and straight down to the bottom. Make a curve at the bottom and straight to the top. That's how we write the mommy letter U. Let's write the small letter U or the baby letter U. Start in the middle red line. Make a straight line going down to the bottom. Make a curve and go back to the red line. Then finally we make a straight line to the bottom line.
Yes! Hooray!
Great job, kids! Now you know how to write the letter U. Now you practice all by yourself. Get a piece of paper and a pencil. Well done! Great job, kids! Now, kids, practice writing the small letter U.
Yes! Hooray!
Wonderful! Good writing, kids! Now let's see some objects beginning with the letter U. Letter U. A. U is for umpire. 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 U is for umbrella. 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 We use umbrella when it rains. U is for undershirt. 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 When the weather is too hot, we wear undershirt. Now, kids, you say the words beginning with the letter U. U. U is for yes, umpire. U is for great job, kids! Umbrella. U is for Well done. Undershirt.
Thank you for learning with us.
Hooray!
Wow, you have read a lot of words today. See you on our next reading episode. Bye.